Building your small business around customer lists using AI. Let's dive in. Building a list from scratch with AI. Creating a lead magnet and promoting it. To grow your customer base from scratch, create a prospect magnet. This could be a free guide, a checklist, or a webinar. Use AI tools to test which topics resonate most with your target audience. Then, promote your freebie on platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Reddit. AI can even optimize your ad targeting on these platforms to maximize signups.
Tim Little again. This is my video. I wanted to show you guys some really great information that will help you in generating some campaigns and some email lists for your business immediately to build your internal database. And you can start on this immediately within a few minutes from now, and I'll show you what you need to do. But what you need to do is go into Google and you type in yellowpages.com, and something like this should come up. And what you can do is you can search the yellowpages.com for local types of businesses, general contractors, auto repair, roofing, home remodeling, and realtors and that type of thing. So what you can do is just we'll type in, it would be plumbing and drain cleaning, and be in the Grand Rapids area. Now you can choose any area that you would like. There's a scroll down menu, and then just go ahead and we'll find these. And what you can do is you can do Control A would be to highlight, and then Control C would be to copy, and then you get into Chat GPT and you copy this into the prompt. And then what you want to do is, I have a query that I have, and it's right here. Be format the below data into a table. This will create a column for account for first name, company website, Instagram, phone number, email. So go ahead and you copy that, and you put that into Chat GPT. Chat GPT, which is right here, and be right in this area. And this will be really amazing. Go ahead and type that in, then just hit enter. And what Chat GPT will do is it'll sort it all out. It's a mess the way it looks, but you'll see that it'll sort everything out for you into a table, like so. And you can keep on scrolling. Here's the first name, would be the company name, and you have the phone number. So you can go ahead and you have a contact, and then you have the company name, you have a phone number, and these you can just keep on scrolling. You'll get more and more of these. And so what you can do is you can take this formatted list from ChatGPT, and you can copy it, be a Control C, and copy it into Google Docs. You can print that out, or you can just start calling immediately from this list. Now this would just go on and on and on. But another thing you can do to find lists is you can go to Google, and what you do is you can type in fitness coaches, and this would be just fitness coaches, or it could be like plumbers, could be dentists, could be realtors, and then just type in @Gmail. And then what you'll do is you'll get all of their email addresses. So we'll go ahead and run that. And then again, you do a Control A, be Control A, and then Control C to copy that into Chat GPT. And you would, like I say, it kind of goes in as a mess, but it'll be all sorted out for you. And then you go ahead and use the same query that I did before, which is format data into a table. Go ahead and you copy that, and that would go into your Chat GPT. Paste that in, and you just go ahead and run that, and you'll get the same thing. Now what will happen is that it will create a table for you like so, and you keep on scrolling down, and you have an email. The email address is right here. This is the fitness name is Andrea Morgan, a nutrition fitness coach, and then the email is right here. You can keep on scrolling down, and this is how many are in the. But like say you can do other types of queries in this, and then go ahead and you can do a Control C, go into Google Docs or go into Excel and just copy it right into a spreadsheet format if you'd like. Another way you can build lists is through it'd be Apollo.io, and you can what you can do is you can do standard industrial classification, do very highly targeted types of lists, and you can kind of really pinpoint and get email and phone number. And I think the first time you use this, you get 100 free leads, and then there'd be a monthly fee after that. But you can go ahead and you can select by it'd be by people. If you're just looking for a particular person, do it by companies. And with companies, you can sort it out, or you can do it by standard industrial classification, like boring mills. You can do it by company. This would list all the companies and the location. Like Detroit, Michigan is what you could do. Detroit, Michigan. And then you can scroll on down, and you can do it by zip code, or you can you can sort this out by zip code, and then do number of employees. Now, if you want, you probably want to eliminate the really small companies, 1 to 10. That's like a tool and die shop in a garage or something. So you want to get into probably 50 to 100, and then maybe up to 500 employees. So this would give you 50 to 1,000 employees. So this would be larger companies between like maybe 3 to 10 million. So you just have to kind of experiment with that and find out if you don't know exactly the categories, and you just kind of experiment and call different lists, email different lists. So those are a couple different methods that you can use right away. Hopefully those are helpful, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave comments if you'd like. Thank you.